ନମସ୍କାର ଦର୍ଶକ ବନ୍ଧୁ, ସ୍ୱାଗତ କରୁଛି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ଗୋଟିଏ ନୂଆ ଭିଡିଓରେ। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା। DA hike September 2025. Central government announces 6% fairness allowance increase for employees and pensioners. In a significant development for central government employees and pensioners, Government of India has announced a substantial increase in dearness allowance and dearness relief for the year 2025. The move expected to be implemented in September 2025. This move expected to be implemented in September 2025 aims to provide financial relief to millions of employees and pensioners amid rising inflation. The DA hike rising from 4% to 6% is set to boost salary and pension, ensuring better financial stability for those serving and retired from central government roles. Recent reports indicate that the central government is poised to announce a DA increase of 6% for its employees and pensioners, with the possibility of DA hike reaching up to 7% in some cases. This adjustment is accepted. This adjustment is expected to take effect in the third or final week of September 20, aligning with the government periodic review of inflation and cost of living index. The DA, which is reserved twice a year, week based on Consumer Price Index (CPI), is designed to offset the impact of inflation on salaries and pension. This increase will directly result in higher take-home salaries for employees and enhanced pension payment for retirees, providing much-needed financial relief. The central government has officially confirmed the DA hike with indication that the increase could range between 4 to 6% depending on financial calculations. This announcement is part of the government's broader strategy to support its workforce and retirees during a period of economic challenges. The hike is likely to be formalized through a notification in September 2025, with areas, if any, expected to be credited to employees and pensioner accounts shortly thereafter. The government's proactive approach in addressing inflation concerns has been welcomed by employee unions, who have long advocated by timely DA revisions. The 6% DA hike will significantly enhance the financial position of central government employees and pensioners. For employees, the increase will be applied to their basic salary, leading to noticeable rise in their monthly take-home pay. For example, an employee with a basic salary of 50,000 could see an additional 3,000 per month with a 6% hike. This extra income will help employees manage rising expenses for essentials such as food, fuel, and healthcare, etc. In addition to DA hike, the central government has announced a significant increase of old age pensions to address the challenges faced by senior citizens. Previously eligible pensioners received 400 per month under the old age pension scheme. The inadequacy of the month in the current economic climate, the government has decided to raise pensioner 1100 per month. This change effect from July 11, 2025, aim to provide greater financial security to elderly citizens, particularly those from economically weaker regions. The central government's announcement of 6% DA and TR hike, along with the enhancement of old age pension, is a welcome step for millions of employees, pensioners, and senior citizens, set to be implemented in September 2025. These measures will provide a significant financial relief and improve the quality of the life of for beneficiaries. Focus on timely revision to DA and DR, coupled with its commitment to supporting the elderly, underscore its dedication to the welfare of its citizens. As the implementation date approaches, employees and pensioners eagerly await the formal notification and the resultant increase in their salaries and pension. Thank you. Thank you for watching and listening.